It's time for a mystery box, and I think it's a good one. I haven't opened my box yet. Let's see what's inside. But there is a new cutie inside. Let's see what color. This is Falling for Hue mystery box. Let's open it up. I have not seen this yet. I feel like it's Christmas. And it's opening backwards, so let's... Ooh, this is Falling for Hue. Get it? Fall. It looks like fall colors. Let's see what this is. This is Persimmon Cutie. Color is he? Ooh, so many people have been asking for an orange color. How cool. All right, guys, the link is in the description. I do get a small commission when you use that link. And if you have access, you can buy this box and you get free shipping. And there is such an amazing sale right now if you have access. So if you have access, add more to your cart because the sale is 50% off for materials, 50% off for accessories. Blanks like mugs and all the infusible ink blanks are included in the 50% off. They are materials, so if you have premium access, you get an extra 20% off all materials. You also get 20% off of this box if you have premium access. If you have standard access, it's just the 10%. But if you add more things to your cart, also add my code CUTIE because you get another 20% or 10%. I'm not sure. I thought it was supposed to be 10, but it seems to be doing 20. So you might get 20 with my code and you get free shipping on everything in your cart. So don't just buy the box. Take advantage of the sale, especially if you have premium access and buying materials. You're going to get 50% off. Then you get 20% off. And then you get maybe another 20% off. And this amazing cutie. Now, do you want to see what else you're going to get? Some black pens. You can never have enough black pens. You can use these for handwriting if you want to, and you get the 0.8 glitter pen, you get the 1 point pen, the 0.4 pen, and 2 calligraphy pens. Oh, and you get tools. You get the spatula. I use the spatula a lot, and the scraper. And have you guys tried this one yet? This is the copper burnish. This is so pretty. You don't even have to cut anything out of this. It is just so pretty on anything without even cutting a design into it. Foil iron-on in red, iron-on in brown. It's 12 by 24. Oh, and you get transfer tape. Cricut has the best transfer tape. You can use it over and over and over. And this is a pretty color. This is orange iron-on, but isn't that pretty? Removable mat in wine. This is 12 by 48, so you get 48 of this color. And then yellow maize, permanent glossy, 12 by 48. So this is an amazing box. Take advantage of the sale. Take advantage of getting the box. Get yourself a cute cutie. He really is pretty. He really is awesome. I heard about the color of the cutie and I wasn't so excited until I opened him up and looked at him. He's really a great color. All right, guys, leave me a comment below if you ordered this box or not, or if you just took advantage of the sale. Let me know how much you saved. Isn't he awesome? Make sure you guys are subscribed. If you don't get an email from me when a mystery box is sent out, make sure you sign up for my email list. The link is in the description. If you missed out on this box and you just want to buy a cutie, you can join my group Cricut Cutie Swap on Facebook. And if you want to learn how to use all of these materials, join my Facebook group Cricut Design Space on Facebook. All right, guys, I will see you soon. Make sure you watch Thursday Night Live, Friday New Images, and Saturday Design Space class, 11 a.m. Eastern.